Alright guys, welcome guys, this is BabaForex. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscriber button. Thanks. Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to trade the CRT model. So quickly, I identify the previous high and the low of the previous daily candle. So let's go to the back test to show you how it's work. So in this case, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. In this case, if you mark the previous high and the low of the candle, the previous candle, you need to have a sweep of the previous high or a sweep of the previous low. To have a confirmation, you need to go to the minimum time frame, like 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, to have a confirmation there. And when the market will shift there, you will take a position to be shorting the market or to be buying the market. So let's quickly see what's happened inside this candle. So I'm going to the 15-minute time frame and I'll place out. So as you guys can see, sorry guys, as you guys can see, this here was the previous daily high. So we need to wait we need to wait the open of the new daily candle to sweep above and make a change of character to the downside. So from there we will short the market to target the daily low, the previous daily low. So as you guys can see, I will wait and play this out to you guys to see how it's work. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. As you guys can see, this is the previous low and the previous daily high. So as the new daily candle sweep above the previous daily high, I will wait for a confirmation to make me realize that the market shift to the upside, going now to the downside. So let me play this out. Let's check the previous daily high. It sweep the previous daily high. So let's go. So as you guys can see, the price sweep and create a demand zone right here. This was the last demand zone. So if the price sweep this last demand zone, that will be a confirmation, the market social shift, for us to enter a market, a sell market. 5-minute market social shift. So let's play this out. So as you guys can see, the market, the candle sweep below this demand zone and close below. So from there, you can take action. you set your stop loss to the up high for the candle, and then you target the low, the previous daily low. This is a CRT model. It plays out many times in the market. This is my favorite strategy that I used to trade every day in the market. So quickly guys, let's watch how the market plays out. As you can see, the price is still dropping. Guys, the price is still dropping to sweep the previous daily low. This is the power of Crt. If you like the video, make in the comment more, and I will be explaining this type of strategy to you guys to better understand how it works. I'll be explaining more strategy, more technical on this channel. So I'll please you guys to subscribe the channel, like and comment. The price retraced back and is coming back to the previous daily low again. guys, the price is still dropping. So guys, if you want to learn about CRT model, the link of my free Telegram group is there, so you need to join it and learn more about this strategy. This strategy work the most of times, so do not forget to join my free Telegram group and you will learn more about this strategy there. Also like the video. Thanks guys, thanks. I hope you guys like it. As we can see, the price is still dropping. So guys, the price is going to sweep the previous daily low candle. Like I said it to the beginning, this strategy work most of time, so this will be a game changer for you trader, beginner trader, to master the market. Is easily tradable like a strategy. Before you trade and master the market, you need a simpler strategy so that you guys can use and make money. So merci les gars, merci. I speak French too. For those you guys don't really want to know a game, like how I play this game every day, I'll be free for everybody to DM me on my WhatsApp. I'll put the link of my WhatsApp there and my Telegram group, so watch out. So in the next video, I'm gonna be dropping how to use Fibonacci to identify the entry point of the CRT, and that how to identify the good zone of the market structure, the change of character. So it's good to join now, bro. Now the price is going to sweep the previous daily low, like I said for the beginning. Let's watch how. Yes, guys, this is the simplest strategy that I trade every day, the easiest strategy that I trade every day. So guys, it sweep below the previous daily low, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, the price sweep the previous high, it make a change of character, and it sweep below the previous daily low. So thank you guys to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be dropping more video, more content of my strategy on this channel. So guys, see you later. Thanks. Merci pour tout.